Hey, what's going on, Alan? My name's Kyle. Just wanted to reach out and make you a video that can bring value to your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally optimize your website to where you can drive in more traffic and generate more leads for your business. So I have 3 tips I want to share with you today. My first tip is the importance of content and keywords. Now, Google doesn't care about how awesome websites look. They care about what kind of content's on the page. Google likes to see a lot of content. And the websites that have the most are going to be the ones with the most authority on that topic. So now, I recommend you have at least 1,500 words on your home page. And the most important reason to have that much content on your home page is because you need to have buyer intent keywords inside your content. So when Google goes through and scans your page, they can find these keywords and they can rank you accordingly in the Google search engine. Now this tool here is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool and it buys data from Google, and one of the features is it allows us to search for these buyer intent keywords. So I just looked up electrician in Oklahoma City, and these are some examples of keywords that you can put inside your content that you could potentially be found for. So you have Electrician OKC, that's being searched 1,100 times a month. You have Electrician in OKC, that's also being searched 1,100 times a month. If you were to search these 2 keywords here, you're going to get a different set of results in Google. So it's definitely good to have both of those keywords inside your content. Now, you also have your residential electrician keywords, you have your commercial keywords, and I even looked up lighting as one of your services. So you can put this in one of your service pages. So you got lighting Oklahoma City. So you have lighting installation Oklahoma City, that's being searched 100 times. You have landscape lighting, recessed lighting, lighting companies. So there's all sorts of keywords that you can find and put inside your content that you can be found for. You can find keywords for all of your services that you provide and your service areas as well. One other tip you can do with these keywords is making sure that all your pictures are saved correctly. Right now, when Google scans your page, they see this picture saved as screenshot. Instead, I would have this picture saved as your business name, Metro Tech Electrical Contractors, Inc., because branding is very important. You want branding. And I would also have a buyer intent keyword behind your branding, like Electrician OKC, or whatever keyword it is that you're trying to be found for. Now, my second tip is backlinks, and backlinks are just as important. It's what gives your website power. Backlinks are links throughout the web that, when clicked on, brings the user back to your website. It's almost like having a popularity contest, and the person with the most backlinks wins. However, Google is now leaning more towards quality versus quantity. So they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you. They want to see backlinks coming from other electrical websites or home improvement websites that have links linking people back to your website. Now, Ahrefs also lets us see what's going on behind the scenes of websites, and I do want to mention there are free tools that you can use. If you Google Backlink Checker or Keyword Finder, you can find the free tools you need to be able to do this yourself. So right now, your website has a URL of 11. That's how powerful your site is. Domain rating of 0. That's how trustworthy your website is. You have over 8 people coming onto your website each month through an organic search. You're being found for 36 keywords. You have 29 referring domains giving you a total of 70 backlinks. These backlinks here is what's giving you your website your power and your trust. And you want these 2 numbers as high as possible, and you want them as close together as possible as well. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. Now, I pulled up the Google search bar and I just looked up electrician in Oklahoma City. And this is Mr. Sparky. I'm sure you know exactly who they are. They're ranked number 1 in the Google Map Pack and number 1 in the organic section. So I looked up their numbers. They have a URL of 36. That's how powerful their site is. Domain rating of 15. That's how trustworthy their site is. They have over 2,500 people coming onto their website doing organic search each month. And if 10% of that turns into a job lead, so they're 250 job leads a month. They're being found for almost 4,000 keywords, and they have 321 referring domains, giving them a total of 1,180 backlinks. Now, if these backlinks here are good enough to rank Mr. Sparky to the top of Google, it's good enough to do the same for your website as well, as long as you have your content and keywords in order. Now, and this is something you can do with all of your top competitors. You can get all your top competitors' backlinks, and you can get them linking back to you. You just go to the referring domains, and each and every one of these websites here has a link linking people back to Mr. Sparky. And you can do the same with your website. You just go into each individual site. Some you just might have to create a profile and you can add your website that way. Others you might have to go to the contact us and email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. Now, my last tip for you is get to this #1 spot in the Google Map Pack. It's one of the best spots to be in. 40% of the searches searched on Google click inside this Google map pack here. 30% click in the #1 organic spot. So these two have tons of traffic. So how can you get to this top spot here in the Google map pack? You need more citations than your competition. And a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. Some examples of a directory would be places like Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. Even social media is considered a directory nowadays. So, Alan, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out. I know it's a Friday, so you have an awesome weekend. Thank you for watching.